everybody, I'm Bunkie. Today I'm going to show you how to make yogurt in the Instant Pot. Sometimes Mom will use this one. It's called the Yoga Thumb. First we're going to have to put 1 cup of water into the Instant Pot. Don't forget to put your steaming rack. But since I can't pour milk, my big sisters poured it in these little cups. Now that all of the milk is in, we're going to press steam 1 minute. Now we're going to lock the lid and make sure the steam function is on. When this is done, I'll be right back. Now the 1 minute steam is done, but we're going to have to wait for the normal steam to cool off, which will take 20 to 25 minutes. Now the natural steam has been done. It's been 25 minutes. I will unlock the lid and leave it open. Now we're going to wait till the milk cool off to 110 to 115 degrees. Now that we put the yogurt in the milk, we're going to put it back in the Instant Pot. Now that we put the yogurt in, we're going to lock this and press yogurt. We have yogurt in 8 hours. It's been 8 hours. Now we have yogurt. This is how we like to eat a yogurt. First, we put half of the yogurt into a bowl. Then we put one or two spoons of gammon. Then, when you're done, you're going to pour a tiny bit of oats into the yogurt. Mix. Eat. Enjoy!
If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. You can donate to our fund for a drum set by either purchasing organic food boxes from montecellosellers.com or donating $1 or $2 at paypal.me/vineyardchicks. Thank you so much.